We are Team Tech Army.
Greetings. Retail plays a crucial part for both the customer and the manufacturer, but this pandemic affected both of them. We are Team Tech Army, and our idea will be focusing majorly for this sector. Pandemics are not a new thing. They have happened in the past, and there are chances that we can be hit by them in the future as well. So we will be addressing this particular theme and working to make a product that will help the retail industry in improving their current marketing strategy, their work style, and along with it add an enhanced and interactive experience. In short, we will redefine the way we sell and shop for both the retailers and their customers using the technology augmented reality.
Now, addressing to the problems. First, there is a lot of money spent on marketing strategies, but its effect doesn't seem so promising. Still, there are customers who do not even get a chance to know about the latest releases of products in the market. Second, we surf a lot on internet, scrolling the product for hours and still unable to reach any conclusion, like which product will be better and which one they should buy. And a lot of time has been spent in figuring this out. Third, there are different kinds of people. Some of them enjoy shopping offline and some prefer online. There is no single solution through which customers can enjoy both online and offline mode of shopping. Fourth, the problem of how to make retail interactive and convenient for both customers as well as their retailers. A solution that gives confidence to the retailers that their customers are happy and satisfied with their goods and services. Fifth, the situation like this pandemic, which can happen again in near future, and we have to do preparations such that at that time we do not have to stop or close anything. We will be prepared enough that we can work, shop, and do any of our daily life tasks without any hesitation or hindrance.
Our idea is to develop a smart shopping solution to the new normal, which increases users' interaction and experience of shopping. A solution that lets the user shop both online and offline as per your choice and redefine the way we shop using augmented reality.
Presenting to you our idea, Khareed. Khareed is an augmented reality based smart shopping solution for the new normal that helps a customer to buy goods online as well as offline in a healthy and convenient manner. Khareed will be a combination of two applications. One is Khareed Sellers and the other is Khareed Shoppers. So in Khareed Sellers, it will be used by the shop owner or retailer, and it will allow the retailer to create the visual data of the products available in the shop. It provides an easy, interactive and safe way to showcase the product to the customer. All we have to do is just scan the product and see its data in augmented reality. This can be done for any type of product, and it will be a one-time process. On the other hand, Khareed Shoppers will be used by the customers. It will to experience easy, innovative and safe shopping. A customer will simply scan any product from their home or in a mall, and details about that product will be augmented around it in the real world. So it will allow the customer to quickly know about the product's information. It will also help them to add the product. It will also allow them to add the product in their cart and pay the bill instantly, saving their time. And we are also providing the customer to opt for two options. They could either choose for an hand-in or they can opt for an online delivery.
Now, let's have a look at the major features of our idea, Khareed. Khareed gives enhanced shopping experience to its users. It gives liberty to the users to shop from their homes as well as from the supermarket. Khareed is scalable, secure and completely cloud-based solution. Khareed has a feature of digital cart integrated with billing and payment options. It has an AI-based audio assistant, a 3D guide for the customers, and an additional option of product try-ons.
Now let's see how Khareed Seller works. The app begins with asking the retailer to enter its store ID. Then retailer add their product by scanning it with the camera one by one. After adding the product, retailer needs to add the product detail and then finally submit it. The product will be uploaded to the cloud database in the form of XML files, reducing the app size to a few KBs. Similarly, retailer can add and upload more products in their database. It will be a one-time process.
Now let's see the working of Khareed shoppers. First, the customer has to enter the store ID or he can scan store ID tag. If the customer is willing to buy or wants to inquire about any product, he has to scan the product and then he can easily view its details such as product certificates, customer reviews, link to various websites, and product's promotional video in AR. The customer can add the product to the cart and finally make the payment by using appropriate option. He can either buy the product in hand or can choose the option of home delivery. The customer can also access the feature of virtual try-on while shopping online.
Now let's have a look at some enhanced integrations we are looking forward to. First is automatic product detail scraper. So every time you scan a product, the app will automatically search for its detail on the web and upload it in the form, saving a lot of manual work for sellers. Next is, as a user base will grow, there will be a high chance that different sellers scan the same product. So we are looking forward to make a smart database that will provide a list of pre-scanned products. Another one would be an AI-based 3D guide/chatbot, which will solve the user queries in real time about the product or anything in general. Another thing we are quite excited about is to add the support to scan 3D objects and virtual try-on. Think of a traditional craftsman using our app, scans the products from his place, and then it gets virtually available for each of our customers to try it on. The last is the integration of Prime membership with special features.
At last, have a look at our business model. The total estimated cost of a solution can be calculated by considering variables like developing cost of application, maintenance cost, marketing cost, and some extra charges by cloud-based hosting services. The revenue can be generated in many ways. The first, by making it a self-starter. Second, selling our product services to potential retailers or shopping malls. We can also collaborate with some major product selling brands in the market. We can also generate revenue by running ads on our application, setting up a model for Prime membership. At last, by selling intellectual property rights.